We have a very special guest now joining, one of the stocks that has been one of the wealth creators, Avanti Feeds. The management is now joining us. Mr. A. Indra Kumar is joining us. Sir, thank you so much for taking out time for us. Could you just first start by telling us about Indian share of global shrimp production, which has increased tremendously since 2010? Avanti has contributed significantly to that. How does the environment for the industry have changed in the last 7-8 years?
The Indian shrimp is the acceptability for Indian shrimp is growing, and the markets for the Indian shrimp is now becoming the premium sector in the US and Europe and other countries, because other countries' production has reduced a little bit. India has been growing in a faster pace. For the industry has done a lot of work from 2005. And from 2009, when the government of India has given permission for the Vanamai shrimp, it has really picked up, and the farmers are really reaping benefits of culturing Vanamai. So the industry is growing.
Sure thing, Mr. Kumar. Afternoon. Let's talk about the export market. How has that improved in India over the years? And do you think that the US and the EU have now become more liberal to exports of shrimps from India, especially given that the US has decided to even reduce the duties on shrimp?
The duties on shrimp has been reduced because actually it is the anti-dumping duty. India is not being dumping below the prices, and because of that the duties has come down. And second thing is the Indian shrimp is well accepted and now sought after shrimp in the US market and other European markets. They require Indian shrimp, and the quality of the shrimp is very good.
Is the biggest threat to the business currently? Would you say that it's competition from Southeast Asian peers or preference of black tiger prawns once again?
No, the black tiger prawn requirement has come down drastically. There's a black tiger prawn, I don't see the threat. But the major threat for us is, say, the natural calamities. Natural calamities, and second thing is, yes, Southeast Asian countries are, we have the competition from Southeast Asian countries. But our quality of shrimp, see, we have been giving a better quality of shrimp. So I don't think it's a threat, but definitely the natural calamities, because it is always depends on the nature.
Now, we are being told that there is a short supply of shrimps. Have you seen any significant movement in prices of late? I'm sure that has impacted that.
The supply of shrimp is stable. I don't say it is short supply. There's the number of plants have come up, shrimp processing plants, and the capacities, in fact, have increased. In fact, our company is Avanti Frozen Foods we have started a new processing plant with the biggest capacity in India. See, there's not much short supply. It's basically a seasonal item. There are two seasons. One from March to August, and second thing from September to November. So the farmer cultures shrimp in 2 seasons. Once the first crop he harvests, again the second crop he sows. So there's not much. There's a growth in the industry, not much short supply. And second point is the prices are stable.
Now, the current feed business market share is about 43%. How do you expect to increase your share going forward? Because a lot of analysts believe that it can touch 55% in the next 2 years. Are you on track?
Shrimp feed business is a technology-oriented business because, as you know, the shrimp is a very small animal. The nutrition factors are very important. This is where the technical type with Thai Union has helped us a lot, because a lot of research is required on the nutrition factors. We both do the research together, and it is growing. Actually, our market share is growing. In fact, we are short supply with the farmers, we are adding 1,75,000 tons capacity for our existing capacity. Now we are around 4,25,000 tons capacity. By adding another 1,75,000 capacity would be anywhere 6,00,000 tons capacity, which would be ready by February 2018. We would catch up the next year season.
Right. So, the company has mentioned that the feed capacity is likely to increase from 1.75 million tons, metric tons to by FY18. Are you on track for that? Will capacity expansion drive volume growth?
Yeah, we would be ready by February with additional 1,75,000 tons. Already erection is going, the construction is going on, and we would be ready by February. We would be adding 1,75,000 tons, which would totally come to 6 lakh tons.
Now, over the last 5 years, the company has grown at by what, 60% annually? That's a massive growth. How long before this growth is going to taper down?
See, the industry is growing in a fast pace, and yeah, we have grown 60%. I don't think any company can grow at a 60% growth capacity. Yet when we were around 1 lakh tons, going to 4,25,000 tons is a big jump. But in the same way, we cannot go from 6 lakh tons, 4,25,000 tons to go to 10 lakh tons. It takes time, but we are working out towards it.